Welcome to Products Review, your trusted source for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Today, we are going to talk about the product Belkin Quick Wireless Charging Stand, 15U key certified charger stand for iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel more, charge while listening to music, streaming videos, video calling. This sleek stand is perfect for any home or office space and comes with a black finish to match any decor. It's ideal for charging your smartphone in either portrait or landscape mode and has a built-in LED indicator light to notify you about optimal alignment and charging. Plus, with foreign object detection, your charger will know when your phone is on it at all times. The Quick Charge wireless charging stand offers incredibly fast speeds, delivering safe power transfer up to 15 watts. Compatible with most iPhones, Samsung, Google, and more, you can keep all your devices powered up and your party going. It's designed with key technology that allows you to charge your phone while listening to music, streaming videos, or video calling with ease. The Belkin Quick Wireless Charging Stand is a great option for any home or office that needs a reliable, fast, and stylish charging station. Stay connected and charged with the Belkin Quick Charge Wireless Charging Stand. With up to 15 W power supplies sold separately, you can quickly charge your device while streaming videos, listening to music, or video calling with friends. The convenient phone stand design with integrated LED lights indicates alignment and charging status of your smartphone. Built with durable, high-quality materials and certified over-voltage protection, the Quick Charge Wireless Charging Stand is designed to last. Charge your phone hassle-free in either landscape or portrait mode, with compatibility for most lightweight plastic cases up to 3 thick. Get the Belkin Quick Charge Wireless Charging Stand and change the way you charge. Did you like the product? The purchase link is in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you later.